Has the art of tying a tie ever seemed like a daunting puzzle to you? Fret not, for mastering this skill is not as complex as it might appear. Today, we're going to unravel the mystery behind tying the perfect tie step by step. So roll up your sleeves and get ready to dive in. First, let's understand the key elements of a tie, the wide end and the thin end. It's important to distinguish between the two. The wide end is the larger part of the tie that will show once you've completed the knot. Begin by standing in front of a mirror with your collar upturned. Drape the tie around your neck, ensuring the wide end is on your right side and extends about 12 inches below the thin end. Now cross the wide end over the thin end to form an X. This is the base of your knot. Next, turn the wide end back underneath the thin end. You'll see a loop forming near your collar. Push the wide end through this loop, moving upwards. Pull it down gently, and you'll notice a knot starting to take shape. Proceed to wrap the wide end around the knot, moving from right to left. Now bring it up through the loop again. Here comes the crucial part. Carefully slip the wide end through the knot you've wrapped around. Pull it down slowly and adjust as needed. And voila, you have successfully tied your tie. To summarize, the steps involved are distinguishing between the wide and thin ends, forming an X by crossing the wide end over the thin end, turning the wide end back underneath the thin end, pushing the wide end through the loop, wrapping the wide end around the knot, and finally slipping the wide end through the knot and adjusting. Remember, practice makes perfect. So don't be discouraged if your first few attempts don't turn out as expected. Keep trying and soon you'll be tying a tie like a pro. Never underestimate the power of a well-tied tie. It can add that extra touch of elegance to your outfit, making you look polished and professional. So start practicing today and master the art of tying a tie. Remember, a tie isn't just a piece of fabric. It's a symbol of style, confidence, and professionalism. Now that you know how to tie one, go ahead and make a powerful statement with your tie. Thank you for tuning in. Until next time, keep practicing and stay stylish.